Be the man that futs his fellow innocent man for piping your woman. Handshake the man instead and fling your woman into the deep abyss of the streets. She's the problem, not the man. If you catch your woman cheating, don't fight or get angry. Don't quarrel the innocent man for piping your woman. Ask him to leave instead, and also ask your woman to pack her things and leave. Don't ever allow a cheating woman to spend a night in your house. Immediately you catch her on the act, send her packing instantly, because if she commits suicide in your house, the law will be unfair to you and will judge you wrongly unless you're able to prove your innocence. Otherwise, you will be in for a longer time, or maybe for a lifetime. Never give a woman the opportunity to ruin your life. Never forgive a cheating woman, even if you have 5 children with her. Cheating is never a mistake. It's intentional. But we'll never have feelings for any of them. But a woman must be emotionally committed before the act will take place. Don't fall for her crocodile tears. It's all fake. She is not crying because she cheated on you, but because she is caught red-handed. Save yourself. Otherwise, you will regret it in the long run, or may not live to tell the tale. A cheating woman will only get harder and serial for the next cheating act the moment you forgive her. Let her go. She won't KPI. There are millions of women out there waiting for the opportunity to gobble on your holy freak. So why waste time with a woman who doesn't find you worthy enough and disrespects you? Walk away, king, and find a better woman that's well behaved. Always remember, there's never a happy ending for simps. Be wise. Stay Putinized. Until you subscribe to Brave Minds projects, women will continue to useless you. Now that you have accepted the Brave Minds projects, comment the word Putin and I will DM you the link for you to become Putinized. The mission of Brave Mind is to inspire and improve people's lives. Join us on our journey by following the community with premium content.